Hello everyone, so we have Beelink Mini. We have two cameras over here, and we have day and night HD video, two-way audio, motion detection, a lot more. So let's open it. I got this from Amazon, and I will put in an affiliate link below, so that the price would be same, but whatever, if you buy using that link, I would get some dollars. So finally we have it. So I'm gonna open it, and we have our cameras. Amazing. So we're gonna take it out. So we have everything what we need. So now to set up, so we need to actually scan it, and then we can set it up. Now we will go and download the Beelink app. Then we will be creating an account. Next. So now we're gonna scan. After what we'll do, we'll just scan. We will say create a new system. So a system is a group of cameras, home cams. I'm gonna say the home cams. Then we will do discover device. We will do join, and then we will wait. Yeah, spectrum. So finally it is added. I'm gonna press on done. Next. No, next. Done. And let's see. What's the live view? Okay. Amazing. After searching on the web how I can store recorded videos on my SSD, I got to know that I cannot. I need to buy a subscription to store my recordings, which is something I'm not looking for. So if you are like me and want your data with you instead of on Amazon, because Blink is an Amazon company, do not go for this device. Blink, I think so, have some models which has a SD card slot, but even that won't work for me. I want a solution in which I can store my recordings directly into my SSD using over the Wi-Fi or using some sort of network. So I'm gonna look for that device, and I'm gonna keep you posted. Until then, thank you so much for watching the video. Hit the like button and the subscribe button because it really motivates me to make new content for you guys. Thank you.